on. Shit, come on. Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Oh, come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga? Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Lo.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Yeah, whatever you say. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to got my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Damn, dog, how much we getting for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country. Alright.
Come on.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Strong features in the face from the Winnie. Smoking dope, doing 360s in the mini. She had Dominican and Trini. Bad news.
Let's do these commercials.
I'm thinking left.
Fine.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Whatever, homie.
Oh, shit!
That dream is luxury.
Hey, watch out!
Guzzling luxury car created in a nation that's
To the left, to the left.
What? I hear you.
America wants a car that's massively overpowered, has fold-down
You little dick niggas do like them little cars.
Shit, I heard the talk, homie. You big everywhere except where it counts.
Fool, knock it off. How about we let Tanisha decide that?
She definitely ain't dumb enough to fuck with your ass.
Weasel News. Questioning Congress's decision to allow Meriwether Security Consulting to expand domestic operations.
Gang crime is on the rise. Experts blame lack of movies.
The funding bill includes security agencies and ranges of
It's official.
Left through the parking lot.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, look out for yourself, dog.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Please, homie.
We buzzing the Union Depository, motherfucker.
That super bank? Oh, fuck it, you an idiot.
Cross the street when you see us by the I'm off the leash, dick hanging on the floor.
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your
Ain't
ass.
you sure that joke works, dog?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass. make no fucking sense.
Whatever it is, I do it big.
Chicken at the Saks Fifth. Ain't tripping, just 40 in the mattress. Girl, you playing like a bitch, she's an actress. Tan hood up, every drive in the cactus. P-Lo, hit you with a bang. Rap nigga, that got bitches like a saint. Just took a shot and I got some more in the chamber. Your bitch in my car, let it cut on my finger. Yeah, she get nasty, bitch. I'm on one and ain't looking for a classy bitch. I get out of the fuck some. Baby mama keep calling shit on all that.
Walk like, smell like cash. Freak, I tell her, whatever it is, I sell that fast. You know all about that math, huh? Whatever it is, I do it big. Whatever it is, I do it big. I do it big like a big nigga should. A big nigga, skinny bitches like a dude. Smell like a rap. Niggas burn up, pimp like a perm up. BAD always earn up, my niggas turn up. Keep her coming like that, cause the bitch ain't never bring it to
Yo, baby daddy, a little crew, that's a front. I'm all about the cash, man, I'm always on the hunt. Yeah, I'm getting paper, still fire up a blunt. Still riding through the hood like I ain't shit. The gang can't quit, if I ain't on your song, the thing ain't it.
Rough like, walk like, smell like cash. You a freak, I can tell that fast. Whatever it is, I sell that fast. You know all about that man, whatever it is, I do it big, big. Whatever it is, I do it big, big.
Bitch, give me cash for Christmas, that's Mary Doll Larry. Better than whatever makes the very fun. Damn, whole car with Chris. Like Terry Joe Pounds, we'll bring the hell stands cause we carry it out. Sell a bitch like car insurance. The baby mama call that nigga, she on insurance. She want me and toy, I'ma give him toy. Pack on it, about to Mac on it. And I kick game for cheap, I get my shack on it. This fake shit, I spin a rack on it. Sweated it out in Vegas Street. I hate it like typos, I get them edited out the paper. Razor, sharp flavor, might give you a $1.50. Put the pressure on them, get them fried up, crispy. Heartbreak gang, make the girls go stupid. Stay on the hustle, I'm up early with the Brewster.
Look like, walk like, smell like cash. You a freak, I can tell that fast. Whatever it is, I sell that fast. You know all about that math, whatever it is.
Oh, it's time to get those bills paid. We gotta make that paper, you feel me?
Whatever it is, I do it big.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. You're disgusting. You think you can rob me? You come in here and you try to rob me. You look at me like I am shit. This racist is me.
Hey, what's up, fool?
Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist. That I could not have said. So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
And all y'all niggas small change, ain't getting no change.
This jump change, I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch who ain't got a fat cheese eye.
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, man, for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
That's why my blood is European. High power, bitch, that's the team. And cool kids up in this thing. Jump back, and that's me, I run track. He's lit, hang low, he's lit. Absolute, that mean that gets ice cube. Got me on top of these ice cubes. We need the much on it. Get the shark, get the dog. That bitch is lit.
and she ain't never leaving me. I came through easily, bitch tripping off DMT. Word of mouth, that's TTP. Put your ass in that DDT. Absol, that's TDE. Pass blunt, grab cup, keep it cold. These hoes, free souls.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
That really ain't my thing, I just feel my with all this information. Bitch, my dick is waiting. You gon' suck it or not? That's her invitation. These bitches hating while some.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work. Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee ass haircut you got. You get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga. What? Oh, fuck.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other, and it ain't right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here. Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear? I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
I can cleanse a crime scene or strip a baby to the bone in less than an hour. Missed a spot. Destroys away wine stains. Dead. Mud. Dead. Caps on it. Dead. Instant cat. Moon blood. Whatever it is, it's dead. Coffee. Survive. You're dead. Dead. You're still dead.